The world should understand being an artist, and a very good one, and having an intrinsic belief in yourself, and finding it very difficult for the world to believe in you as an artist. And it is like he once said to me, in another way, he's doing pagliacci, his version of pagliacci. And every time he put the lipstick on, and he would paste on his eyelashes and draw his eyebrows, he would select what wig he was going to wear, and how well could he be pagliacci for the coming performance.
Well, Jackie was obsessed with stardom and the Hollywood system, the glamour machine, and she ended up part of it in a way because she was a Warhol superstar. And Jackie told me that she survived the Warhol years because she was already Jackie Curtis before she met Andy, so she could still be Jackie Curtis afterwards. The wonderful thing is that she became a star, whether it was a Warhol superstar or just a stage star. She never got to be the movie star that she no doubt envisioned herself as, but she did fashion herself when she was younger as a combination of Audrey Hepburn and Jean Seberg, and she really exuded so much glitter and glamour, it just had to be in her veins instead of blood. He deserved a star on the Walk of Fame because he was a star. Even if he was living out of a shoebox, eking out a living, doing stage work off Broadway, still, he was the biggest Hollywood star in his mind and in my mind. It was just so sweet to see him living a dream, even on a shoebox level, and working in themes, dabbling in themes of fame and glamour. That's what all of his shows were about. They were all about the star-making process, and he was obsessed with larger-than-life divas and glamorous icons, and in the process of playing them, he became one.
Who are you? Where do you come from? Tell me what took you so long. Why am I attracted to you? Attracted to who? Tell me. I'm in your spell, as you well see. Oh, lovely lady, what is your name? Won't you identify yourself and whence you came? Who are you? What do you run from? Where did you come from? Oh, lovely lady, what is your name? Won't you identify yourself and whence you came? Who are you? What do you run from? Where did you come from? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Are you who? You who are. Who am I? I am she. I am he. I am we. I am they. So, who are you?